Scottish Gaelic phrases. Hello, how are you? Hello, cima aha shif. Very well, thank you. Haguma tapalif. And yourself? Cima aha shifain. I am good, thank you. Glema tapalif. Good morning, madin va. Good afternoon, feskama. Good evening, oinshama. The weather. The weather is lovely today. Hi bria and you. It's wet today. Hi fluch and you. Goodbye. Cheery. Welsh phrases. Hello, how's it going? For the south, hello shemai. For the north, hello sitmai. How are you? Shudichi for the south, or sitdachi for the north. A normal response to shemai, shemai. A normal response to shudichi, fine, iawn. Fine, thanks. Iawn diolch. Very well, thanks. Da iawn diolch. And yourself? Achi. Good morning. Bore da. Good afternoon. Brynhawn da. Good evening. Noswetha. The weather. The weather is fine. Mae'n braf. It's cold. Mae'n oer. Yes, it is. Adi. Isn't it? And juhi for the south, or tadi for the north.